What's up, guys? This is going to be the first video in my series of videos where I trade from 10k to 100k. So as you can see here, I started out with 18,000 coins, and to sort of get rid of that, I found a player on Flipbin who was going for around 8,800 coins, so I could just buy one of those and then bring our value to 10,000 coins. I've seen other traders somehow start out at very exact values. I'm not really sure how they do that. If you know, please leave a comment and let me know. That would be fantastic. And here, yeah, so I have some players in my transfer list that were left over from trying to price fix that really didn't work. Just try to ignore those players for now. I won't sell any of them or anything, but I can't put them in my club because I have duplicates of all of them. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to set our max bid price to something like 350, and then our buy it now minimum to something a little higher, like 900. And then we're going to select silver and just sort of browse through the pages and see if we can find any decent looking players. And by decent looking player, I mean someone who's high rated, preferably above a 70, or has some stats that sort of jump out to me for their position. And then once I find someone like this, young son, I'll look them up in Futbin and see what their going price is for. So this one's 500, right? And this one was for 250. It didn't really interest me that much, especially because he was in a weird league. You really want to. So Bailey right here, he looks quite alluring, right? He's Jamaican fast. I'm not really sure what league he's in. I mistype his name here. Okay, he's in the Pro League, but he's really fast. He's a left mid, and he's rated 74. So I look him up, and we'll see what he's going for. So 23,000 coins. I make a bid. There was already a bid on there, so I'm expecting to be outbid if this card's really worth that much. But this shows that this sort of preset filter works, because that guy could have just picked up this guy for 300 coins and made some serious profit. So he's not actually going for 23,000 coins. He's going for 2,400. I had another card selected. I think someone was trying to price fix him. So see here, you see me get outbid. And then one strategy I like to use is, I'm thinking they probably know how much he's worth, same as I do, so I'll just jump straight to the price that I'll want to bid at. So I'm going to lose some profit there, because obviously I'm paying like my maximum value that I would pay to get him, but I think it's the best way to sort of ward off other bidders. So after this, you see me get outbid for 1,100, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to go bid so we can at least make some profit off of him. So I think I put down, what was it, 1,900? I think I get outbid one more time, and then I bid like 2,200 or something, but we'll see. So yeah, basically just the gist of it is to find players who look like they're worth something and continue bidding on them below their asking price, obviously. Make sure you have a little bit of profit in there. So this card's a bit more expensive than I would usually go for. Usually I aim for cards that are around like 350, 500 coins, and try to make a couple of hundred coins of profit off of each of them. And also don't forget the EA sales tax, which is 5%. So if you have any doubts, just take whatever number they're going for and multiply it by 0.95, and you'll find the minimum price that you need to get them for to make any money. So here I wasn't convinced about Futbin, so I went and looked him up, and it was 2,300. So not great profit on this card, but it's good to sort of see what I do, how to do it, and yeah, just go from there. Just keep trying to look through all the pages, looking for cards. I had actually filmed myself going through like all these pages. It took like probably half an hour, and I bought like 23 players, I believe, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But I bought 23 players, and I went through all the coins. So I invested all my coins in them, and then I'm currently trying to sell them off. But once I do, I'll show you guys, and yeah, we'll go from there. So here, I'm just putting in the filter again and looking at some other cards. So this guy doesn't, he's 73 rated, but he's not the greatest league, and it just doesn't look that special. So just keep searching. So goalkeepers, I really don't like to get any goalkeepers who are below like a 72 or a 73 even, because there's just so many goalkeepers for every league and country that it's really not worth it. This guy looks like an attractive buy. He's a 74 rated right mid. He's in the German league, I believe that said. Not too sure. Let's see if I can find him here. So 82 pace, 79 dribbling, not a bad card at all. So yeah, he's in the Bundesliga, and he's going for 900, so I figured might as well throw a bid on him, right? If we got him for 350, that's like 400 coin profit or something. If we do sell him off. I'm not really sure if we got outbid here. Oh, yeah. So I think I remember now that I got him for like 750 or something. But still, like that's profit, and any profit is good profit, right? So you see me get outbid, and yep, I bid 750, and I'm pretty sure I win this. And then I just keep going on to the next card. Unfortunately, like I said earlier, I couldn't record the whole process. I was gonna speed it up, go through a time lapse, but I forgot to press record, unfortunately. But I have video of all the cards that I ended up getting, and hopefully they all sell. So I'll get back to you then. So here are all the players that I managed to buy. Just quickly go through them. 250, 250, 250, again, 300, 300, 300. So you'll get the idea that they're all pretty much around the same price. I try to buy pretty low and then sell them for a bit of profit, because you can guarantee if you buy them for like something like 300 or 350 coins, that even if they don't sell on for like 500 coins, 600 coins, you can just sell them on for whatever you bought them and not take too much of a hit. So here we see me start listing them up. So I have a split screen set up on my Windows computer. So I look up each player in Footbin and see what the lowest one up on the market is at, and then I will price mine usually around 50 coins or less. Sometimes a few of these you might see that they've clearly been price fixed, and the price has just shot up tremendously. And this is actually could be a good situation for someone like us selling, because we can just mark it down and have that one picked up rather than whatever they're listing for. So if I see something price fixed, like a couple of these, I'll list it more than 50 coins less, because they could easily just undercut you again. So I usually, if it's price fixed, I'll put it up probably, it depends on the price, but like 300 or 400 coins less than the lowest buy now, to ensure that hopefully it will in fact sell. So yeah. So that's all there really is to it. In the next video, I'll show you guys how they all sold on. And yeah, please drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Maybe in the comments tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, maybe some suggestions. I'm very new to this, so yeah, anything would be great. See you in the next one.